Alright, picture this. You're standing at an ATM, about to withdraw cash, and a tiny, almost imperceptible, flicker of anxiety hits you. Am I going to get charged for this? Or maybe you're scrolling through your online banking, seeing a transaction description you don't quite recognize, and you wonder, what's that fee for? Ever felt that nagging uncertainty about bank fees? Especially when it comes to your everyday transaction account? If you're an Australian, chances are you've heard of, or even use, the Commbank Smart Access account. It's one of the most popular transaction accounts out there. But popularity doesn't necessarily mean transparency, does it? Today, we're diving deep into the nitty-gritty of the fees associated with the Commbank Smart Access account. We're going to demystify those charges, clear up the confusion, and give you the knowledge you need to manage your money with confidence. Let's start with the basics. The Commbank Smart Access account is designed for everyday transactions, receiving your salary, paying bills, making purchases, and withdrawing cash. It's meant to be simple and convenient. However, like any financial product, it comes with a fee structure that, if not understood, can lead to unexpected charges. The first and most fundamental question is there a monthly account fee? The answer is yes, there is a monthly account fee. But, and this is a big but, it's waivable. That's right, you can avoid paying the monthly fee altogether. So, how do you do it? The key is to deposit at least $2,000 into your account each calendar month. This is a crucial detail. It's not about maintaining a balance of $2,000, but about ensuring that $2,000 or more is credited to your account within the monthly cycle. This could be your salary, regular transfers, or any other form of deposit. If you meet this requirement, the monthly account fee is waived. Now, what happens if you don't meet the $2,000 deposit requirement? In that case, you'll be charged a monthly account fee. This fee can vary, so it's essential to check the latest Commbank fee schedule for the most up-to-date information. Remember, banks often update their fee structures, so staying informed is crucial. Let's move beyond the monthly fee and explore other potential charges associated with the Smart Access account. One of the most common areas of concern is ATM fees. Commbank has a vast network of ATMs across Australia, which is a significant advantage. If you use a Commbank ATM, you generally won't be charged a fee for withdrawals. However, if you use an ATM owned by another bank, you'll likely incur a fee. This fee is charged by the ATM operator, not Commbank. It's essential to be aware of this, especially when you're traveling or in areas where Commbank ATMs are less readily available. Another common transaction is overseas withdrawals. If you use your Commbank Smart Access card to withdraw cash from an overseas ATM, you'll be charged an international ATM access fee. This fee covers the cost of accessing the international network and converting your Australian dollars to the local currency. Additionally, you'll likely encounter a foreign currency conversion fee, which is a percentage of the transaction amount. It's also worth noting that if you use your card for purchases overseas, you'll typically be charged a foreign currency conversion fee. This fee applies to both online and in-person transactions. Now, let's talk about overdrawn accounts. If you spend more money than you have in your account, you'll go into overdraft. Commbank may charge an overdrawn account fee. This fee can vary depending on the amount overdrawn and the length of time the account remains overdrawn. It's crucial to avoid overdrafts to prevent these charges. One way to do this is by setting up low balance alerts through your Commbank app or online banking. Another area where fees can arise is with dishonored payments. If you attempt to make a payment from your account and there are insufficient funds, the payment may be dishonored. Commbank may charge a dishonor fee. This can happen with direct debits, checks, or other forms of payment. Again, careful management of your account balance is key to avoiding these fees. What about card replacement fees? If you lose your Commbank Smart Access card or it's stolen, you'll need to order a replacement. While Commbank may waive this fee in certain circumstances, there's generally a charge for replacing a lost or stolen card. It's always a good idea to keep your card safe and secure to avoid this expense. Now, let's talk about check fees. While checks are becoming less common, they are still used in some situations. If you write a check from your Smart Access account, there may be a fee associated with processing the check. Similarly, if you deposit a check from another bank, there may be a clearing fee. Another potential charge is for international money transfers. If you need to send money overseas, Commbank offers international money transfer services. However, these services come with fees, including transfer fees and foreign exchange margin fees. The fees can vary depending on the destination country, the amount being transferred, and the method of transfer. Let's also touch on some less common but still relevant fees. For example, if you require a bank check, there will be a fee. Similarly, if you need a statement printout from a branch, there may be a charge. It's always a good idea to check the Commbank fee schedule for a comprehensive list of fees. Now, here's a crucial tip for managing your Smart Access account and minimizing fees. Utilize the Commbank app and online banking. These platforms allow you to monitor your account balance, track transactions, set up alerts, and manage your finances effectively. By staying on top of your account activity, you can avoid overdrafts, dishonored payments, and other fee-related issues. Another important point is to regularly review your account statements. This will help you identify any unexpected charges or errors. If you notice anything unusual, contact Commbank immediately to resolve the issue. Let's recap the key points. The Commbank Smart Access account has a monthly account fee, but it's waivable if you deposit at least $2,000 into your account each calendar month. ATM fees apply when using non-Commbank ATMs, especially overseas. Foreign currency conversion fees apply to overseas transactions. Overdrafts and dishonored payments incur fees. Card replacement fees may apply. International money transfers and bank checks also come with fees. Utilize the Commbank app and online banking to manage your account and minimize fees. Regularly review your account statements. Understanding the fees associated with your Commbank Smart Access account is essential for effective money management. By being aware of these charges and taking steps to avoid them, you can save money and maintain control of your finances. Remember, banks are businesses, and fees are a part of their revenue model. However, by being informed and proactive, you can minimize the impact of these fees on your financial well-being. Always refer to the latest Commbank fee schedule for the most accurate and up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.